At the heart of every great educator lies a passion to nurture minds and shape futures. From a young dreamer in Santa Ana, Pampanga, to one of the country's most respected leaders in education, her journey began here at Holy Cross College.
Spanish kanta itang yang ubi Ma'am Lu yang di aming teacher. So, memorize niya kami itang ultimo adios, no? So, itang maraguyang may kasawa ko rin ka, huli niya mag-college, kung gawada ko rin model, daralada ko rin aliwaliwang department, o papalisay niya ka na ako. So, dakal actually, no, pero karin may develop mo rin ka na ako leadership potential, kitang while I was in high school, no. So, aliwa-aliwa kasi yung experience sa yung high school, although dakala kareng barkada ko, retang kuminsan natin lang kalokwan, o nayakpin, o medyo sese akong matwa. Hanggang mo kaya ito-kito ko pero ako. So, those are just some, no? But it was indeed a memorable experience. Tsaka lalong-lalo na ito. Karin may hubog itang kanakong faith life. Kasi lalo na balang Miyerkules kanita. Itang nobena tamo kay Mother of Perpetual Help. Talagang ito rin, ito.
From her beginnings as a classroom teacher at Santa Ana Central School to her remarkable rise as a school division superintendent, Dr. Conanan's career is a testament to perseverance, passion, and purpose. Her leadership and dedication have inspired countless educators and students. With every milestone, she carried the values of faith, charity, and freedom, the same virtues instilled in her as a Christian.
Itutunan yan, anyang mo muna, naman ako mag-graduate high school, uri ko yung punang kong course, chemical engineering. Kasi tita ko, itong dating teacher mo rin, Ma'am Lalay, Ma'am Lida Samson, Lida Lozano, Patano. Sabi ko, uri ko palupa na ako. O na yan ang mako. Ali, mag-teacher na kamo, anang mako. Pero kanto mag-teacher na kamo, walang kimumuda yung teacher niya. So, may minto na ako man, kahit kinangwa ko, buri ko talaga English. Favorite subject ko English. Di ako kanita Ma'am Sol Lansangan, teacher niya English. I could say na metong ka rin paborito ng estudyante kay English lalo na. So sabi na lanay po, kahit kumaamestra, mag-major kang English na. So ito ayisip ko ito. So took up BSc, major in English, one, makakuha na mag-shift ka. Malati ka pag lokwan da aray estudyante ng high school na. So, may minto na ako man, kinuha ko BSEF. So, kanita na may gumpisa ka na akong journey as a teacher, and then of course, the rest is history, and then, akong mag-intern. So, agad-agad sinabak na akong tuturong substitute teacher. Muna tinuro ko kay St. Scholasticus Academy, 4th year ko kanita. And then, midela na ako Saints ko, on the spot interview and demonstration, but kaya ako substitute, kaya ako Saints ko, Peturbanan da ako, king Assumption naman, grade school, so makanyan mo rin 2 months, kaya ba nanita, king Don Bosco. So, king Don Bosco, ang galing mag-graduate ko, karin na ako tuturo. So, pag-bayi, karin na ako lulog kanita college. So, itang journey ko, tamasante. And then, eventually, mag-graduate ko, dakala offers, but then I opted to stay in one. It's a new school. It's a Montessori school. Only to find out dito palang owner na mag-anak niya. But then eventually, metong nga rin ang pioneer na tinitang eskwela ito, itang Golden Harvest Learning School yan, yung dating Golden Harvest Learning Center na kami nga naman itang eskwela ito. So makanita may gusto ka na akong journey until such time na lumipat na ako public school. Although yung minuna ako bisa lumipat public school, sabi ko tumuha akong dalaga pag lumipat ako public school. But then eventually, siguro para public school ko, so umilipat to public school, and then the rest is history. So I could say na I really rose from the ranks. So may umpisa akong substitute teacher, relieving teacher, tapos district clerk, and then naging pong OIC, teacher in charge, head teacher, principal, then supervisor. Let us keep that passion within us burning, no? At itang passion ay manalumpakan ting lugod. Itang lugod, may katamo na kailangan tamong idaki, karin kaya katamong kainakan. At makanano tamong adaki yung iba yan. Through service, no? Through sincere and honest service to our client, to our customers. And bilang educator, as an educator, our primary customers are our learners. Okay? So, So rin kaya katamang kaya na kami. Yeah. You're able to touch lives, to make a difference, to influence, that is the call for all of us, no? Nang kanya may itang pakiramdam na minsan ating kang asalubong, ma'am, sir, natatandaan niyo po pa po ba? Yan po po yung makanyan, dati yung pong estudyante, yan po, mayroong na akong makanyan, mayroong na akong professional, mayroong na akong businessman. Dakala salamat ng binaki yung kagiwan niyo ka na ako, may biasa ko, pauli yun, ang kanyaman ng pakiramdam ay that, no? When you give without counting the cost, no? When you just give yourself, because if you're a teacher, pag miestra ka, 24/7 ka kasi. It's just like parang yung sa candle, you habang makasindi yung kandila, di ba? Ditak-ditak mapupupod siya, tapos lagay sala until mawala na yung sala. Makantala rin talatuho, no? Habang bibiyata mo yung oras tamo, yung panahon tamo, ikatamo naman, bala mo mapupupod tamo naman. To the point that sometimes we forget about our own self, but still, it's such a great privilege, no? To be a teacher. Lalo na po karetang anak ka mestra, no? Sana po yung dahilan ng pamagmestrayo o mestro, aliway tang sweldo, no? Aliway tang pribilehiyong ma-promote ka agad. Kasi di nga aliwa makanita eh. Just do your work, no? Just keep in mind that you are given a mission, and that mission did not come from anybody else, but the mission came from God, no? If you have that of mission in your heart, no, all the rest will follow. And I tell you, no, you will be able to touch thousands of lives. And no amount of money can ever compensate the work of a teacher. But the rewards, no, the rewards overwhelming. So overwhelming that also words could ever describe how you feel when you see the students who have been through your caring and nurturing hands, no, telling you that you were part of their success. So, to all my fellow teachers, to all our stakeholders, no, you may not be teachers, but you are teachers for supporting the cause of education. So, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. God bless us.